Get ready to unlock the secrets to achieving a successful business and personal life with the Business Program by MDM. As a leader, CEO, manager, or innovator, you face challenges navigating changes, innovation, and maintaining emotional and operational capacity. Our business program is designed to help you activate your potential, combine your strengths, and align your vision with leadership. Through our consulting, workshops, courses, education, and retreats, we'll help you unlock your unique potential. At the heart of our program is emotional intelligence, combined with operational IQ, which creates a powerful formula that activates your leadership abilities. Whether you're navigating change, driving innovation, or integrating new processes, we provide the tools to streamline productivity and strengthen both your business and personal growth and your employees. Our program tackles the complex challenges of leadership, integrating new systems, developing or restructuring departments, and sustaining both operational and emotional resilience. We help you achieve a more productive, innovative, and balanced approach, paving the way for sustained success. And we don't stop at that. Our program goes beyond simple business growth as it teaches you how to combine emotional intelligence and operational IQ to make those decisions that drive growth, balance, and well-being. Master leadership that fosters passion and growth while navigating rejection and failure. Learn to embrace change and transformation with strength, maintaining balance in all aspects of your life. Combine creativity with strategy and achieve the kind of success that doesn't come at the expense of your happiness. Discover how to manage with purpose, innovate confidently, and create lasting success in your business and life. Learn how it can support you, your company, or your employees to create a magnificent quality of life and work. Join the business program, MDM the Absolute Method, today at www.𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐻-academy.com.